Start by sitting in a position that's comfortable for you. If at all possible, sit on the edge of the chair with your feet on the ground and your back not supported. But if it's more comfortable for you to have your back supported, make sure that you're in a position where your body feels comfortable, like it can hold itself up with ease, and it's doing the least work for holding you up. So make those micro adjustments that only you can make by listening to your body and moving it in little ways that make it feel comfortable right now, or as comfortable as possible right now. And then shift your awareness to notice your breath is coming and going. There's nothing you have to do. This breath comes and goes. And let that watching of your breath bring you into an observing and a curious mindset, knowing that there's not much you have to do here. Just watching how your body takes care of you by letting you know what it needs. And any pain that you feel in your body is your body trying to let you know what it needs, even if you don't know what that is right now. Start to reframe the pain as your body trying to help you. And so start scanning your body from your feet all the way up to your head. Let your inhale bring your attention from your feet to your head, and then let your exhale bring your attention to your head down to your feet. Just letting your breath bring your awareness to your whole body. And as you do, look for places that feel okay right now. And then allow your breath to bring some movement to those places that feel okay, that are not in pain. Maybe your fingers, your toes, whatever part of your body that is not in pain right now. And as you feel your breath ebbing and flowing, just let your body move in any way that's pain-free. If you encounter any pain or discomfort or even fatigue, then listen to your body. Know that your body is trying to take care of you by letting you know what it needs. Noticing if that movement feels good, maybe it's asking you to continue or to make it even a little bit bigger and expand it to more areas. And if the movement has your body telling you no thank you, then changing how you're moving or what you're moving. And then when you're ready, let your body rest, come back to stillness, notice how you feel. And let your mind become aware how there's places in your body that do not have pain and can move without pain. This helps to calm that automatic reflex to protect that your body and brain are hardwired to do. And to remind your brain that there are parts that are working well. And then choose an area in your body that does have some pain. And very slowly begin to allow your breath to create very little movement there, noticing how the quality of the pain may change as you move. If the pain increases, then adjust how you're moving, responding to what your body's telling you, letting it know that you're taking care of it. If the pain starts to lessen a little bit, then continue with what you're doing. And so in this way, you're helping your brain and your body work together and signaling to your body that you're going to listen to it. And know that this mindset about pain, that you're responding to it as a helpful guide rather than something to push through, is what will help calm those pain signals. It will help restore this ability of your brain and your body to work together. And so continue to allow your breath to move. It might be just a very slow range of motion, meaning moving continuously, not holding in one position. You might also find it helps to just very gently engage the muscles, tighten the muscles in that area, imagining wrapping those muscles around this area of pain in support, very gently, and notice what happens to the pain as you engage those muscles. So stay curious. When pain increases, then just change what you're doing. When pain starts to subside a little bit, know that that's an invitation, a little clue of what your body's telling you it needs. And if at any point this becomes too much, then come back to stillness and just notice how your breath is taking care of you. Come back to this trusting your body to take care of you. If you have been living with pain for a while, this process takes time to begin to change how you respond to pain and to be able to listen to and help your body, giving it what it needs. So continue to practice this, centering your body, feeling your breath moving in and out, moving areas that are not in pain, noticing how there are places that are not painful to move, and then slowly, very gently moving to places that do have pain and getting curious about how to move to help reduce that pain. Range of motion, slow and mindful, or a little bit of muscle engagement, very slow and gradual muscle engagement, staying curious of what your body's telling you about what it needs, responding in a way that lets you know you're gonna listen to it. Whenever you're ready, come back to stillness, notice your breath. Just allow your breath to come and go, and thank your body for telling you what it needs. Whenever you're ready, let some light seep back in your eyes. And know that you can come back to this very simple practice in small bouts throughout your day to help rewire this way of relating to pain in a way that helps to calm the pain signals.